Being able to see data insights on the data inside of your Salesforce sounds really exciting. Could you show us a demo?
Absolutely, Charlie. I'm more than happy to show you a demo of the solution and data in action. So let's do that right now. Connect ensures only the highest quality data enters your CRM at the point of lead and account creation. The search before create feature allows you to search the entire data cloud before creating a new record to mitigate duplicates and to maintain your data quality from the point of entry. You can also append new entities with data and insights upon creation. D&B Connect provides automated enrichment and maintenance, offering you a selection of over 1,600 plus unique insights to ensure a robust view of your customers and prospects. And for the account and lead records, this includes firmographic details such as the location, industry, size, sales, and revenue figures, and also the family, linkage, or hierarchies. For the contact records, this includes details like the title of the contact, email address, and the phone number. Finally, Connect provides easy-to-use dashboards that quickly eliminate and merge duplicates at the click of a button. Simply choose your parent record and the duplicate records you wish to merge, and then with the click of a button, your records get merged. You can also discover and create corporate linkages among records within your Salesforce instance, ensuring more accurate reporting and account segment for the leads within the CRM.